G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew, this is Ivy, Timbits in the backyard playing, families in the house doing homework. Today we're going to do a little bit of stuff under the hood here, not to the engine. We're going to take a bunch of measurements off the Series 1 footwells and transfer them to the Defender footwells because they've got to be shortened up a little bit so that they fit around this lump. Come on, let's get started.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now. What up? Oh, for sure.
Don't wanna complicate ya.
Alright guys, so been working away all day here hard. Unfortunately someone forgot to check the battery in the camera and it went out, so I got a lot of work done that wasn't caught on camera. So we're going to go through all of that in a minute, have a bit of a sneak peek of what we've done with the dash pad and the dash face. But for now, there is the original rusty one. And here is where we are up to. So we still have this top piece to put on and fabricate that, and then the vents will go right here in the middle. Alright, we're going to use an 80-inch column mounting bracket there, and there's the dash pad. Still Land Rover, but out of a Range Rover, an early classic Range Rover. So I don't know, let me know what you think of that. I think it looks pretty good. What we'll do, we'll sneak some small gauges into here. We'll put the clock back in here and a couple of switches, 4 switches back in here, and on this side we'll have another box with a bunch of switches and stuff in it over here as well, and the steering column. There we have the clutch pedal and the footwell from the Defender. Now on this side, this would normally be on the inside, but we've mounted it out here like in the last video. It gives us an extra 1 3/4 inches. Now we still have a lot of work of closing the ends in, a lot of finishing off bits. We still have some hinges for the doors to mount on the outside here and make them from scratch too. But the front looks pretty good. I think I spent most of the day today playing around with the brake to do all these bends, but to get the brake to bend nicely and tightly. So I think that is going to look pretty good. We just need to fill in this big hole in the middle here next, and then work on this top piece for the vents. Clecos, these make the job so much easier. You can hold everything in place before final weld up in case we're going to pull stuff apart. Alright, so there we have it. That'll do for the week, and back to work tomorrow. So thanks for coming along again. Another short video. There'll be a few more short videos on the bulkhead as we move along, attacking different elements of it before finally MIGging and TIGging everything up. And then once everything's finished and complete on the bulkhead, it will go in to get galvanized with a whole bunch of other stuff all at the same time, and then we can really start putting stuff back together. So thanks very much for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell down the bottom for notifications. And we'll see you all again next week.